And in this video I'll show you how to see who follows your playlist on Spotify. First of all, let's open our Spotify, and let me tell you, you currently cannot see the list of individual names or profile of people who follow your Spotify playlist because Spotify restricts this information to protect users' privacy. However, you can see the total count of followers often However, you can see the total count of followers often views a however you can see the total count of followers often displayed as likes or saves. For that, just go and open the playlist. I'll go on this one, and right below the playlist you can see the total amount, and right below the cover you can see this Spotify icon, and below that you can see the number of saves. That is the followers count of Spotify. That is the follower count of playlist on Spotify. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.